wants to sit and listen to me talk or click on a screen for an hour. So we needed something different. And I had been looking for a tool similar to what Gracil has adopted that would allow you to click through some training. And you had this product called Adobe XP. Very difficult to use. And I believe Adobe has since retired it. And so if you have training that's in there that's existing, you can use it. You can't edit it or create new more. So that new problem. We've tried Scribe, which is also great. It's a great tool. But there's a cost associated with that that seems to fluctuate. And what that does is it allows you to capture the steps throughout and creates a recorded training, but it doesn't give you the option to add a voice over AI. It's not an engaging clickable. It's just like scrolling through a user guide that shows you where things are. So there's no interaction. And that's where you lose a typical learner is you have them just scroll through something, their eyes are going to glaze over and you're going to lose them. If you have someone sitting and watching a recorded training, you're going to lose them. Not everybody learns the same way. So my role as the systems and training director is to find a way where you can touch every audience and ensure that each different type of learner is going to get what they need. What has completely changed the name of the game for us is I no longer have to sit and just do a voice recording or do a training call that's recorded and somebody has to watch all of that with some of the ad lib comments or questions from other people. Now we've used the Capture Wizard to really create the content. It allows you to move the material around on the screen because you might be clicking somewhere on the screen and you want to capture like a larger box or have it say, I want to double click or just hover. You want it to capture those actions so that the learner is actually getting what they need so that when they go to replicate the tasks and what they're doing in that learning, they can do it on their own and not get lost. And then give them the option of after you've done all of this amazing Capture Wizard training where it's clickable and engaging, you hope that they've digested it in the small bite-sized pieces we've given. And if they don't, then give them the option to connect with you one-on-one. And you're able to capture more learners that way because it's not just sitting and watching something. They have to pay attention and get engaged and then take that quiz after. This has just been a complete game changer for us.